Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the BONK update today, and it does not look like Bitcoin is in a good situation. I want you to go and watch the Bitcoin update right now on the channel because it's an 8-minute long video and the brand is hold, chill, relax because of the few reasons I have. And I've analyzed the past 3 halving that happened back in 2012, 2016 and 2020, and I want you to watch that video and look at the logic implemented, right? Don't listen, just listen to the logic of what happens before halving. But what is more interesting, I mean, what you see right here, for so many people, if you are probably new and you're new to crypto, you're going to feel bad about this. I know. We've all been there. Secondly is the people who have been here long enough have witnessed it's just a very normal day in crypto, right? Halving comes, before halving you have big dumps and stuff like that. After halving, what happens after halving though? I want you to see the future of what happens in halving, and I've actually analyzed what happened for the past 3 times. And when I update Bitcoin update, you must be watching Bitcoin along with altcoins updates. So do make sure you go and watch the Bitcoin update because everyone is watching Bitcoin at the moment. It's not BONK that is popular, it's not even Pepe. Everything right now is evolving around Bitcoin because tomorrow is a big event and we have our 4th halving in the history. So how will that play out? How low are you going to go for Bitcoin? And what is going to happen for Bitcoin after halving? Just go and watch that video, man. And the thing is that unfortunately, we might see BONK going down. There was a chance where I was actually expecting that, you know what, I do expect a little bit of a pushback up to 2116. Maybe there is some chances of going back up, but I closed my trade for BONK. I closed it because I ended at 1410. I closed at nearly 1380. A little bit of a, risk taken, okay, fine. But the reason is being that Bitcoin is losing some support level. So the next support for BONK, if it actually comes down, it's 1020 or maybe I would say 980, something like that. And I hope you don't really go any below. Maybe if you do end up having wicks down and then recover very quickly, that is something that can be expected. But I want you to see, again, I want you to look at the bigger picture. Now, let me try to analyze the maximum time it may take for BONK to start to go back up again. So in history, we saw one huge move down, move up, and a move down before you didn't go to the upside. Now, the fact that you were going on a downtrend, there's this little bit of support and resistance that got broken up. So if you were back in time in January, and I could have told you that somewhere in February, you're going to start to go back up again. If we use the same principles that happened right over here, and I take the trend line and I drop the trend line one more time and I take the trend line like this, then you may see that we start to go maybe down once again. We push back up to 1643, move sideways a little bit, but the maximum time it's going to take, at least for me, is until May. So you are going to see May probably being sideways until it doesn't break above in June and you start to recover somewhere in June and start to go to the upside. That's my take. Let's see, depending if you do something like this one more time. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.